Did you know that your kidneys might be weak without you even realizing it? Yes, these two bean-shaped organs tucked away in the lower back region of your body are responsible for some of the most vital functions that keep us healthy and thriving. They filter our blood, remove toxins, regulate the balance of salt and minerals, and control blood pressure. That's a lot of work for such small organs, isn't it? But here's a sobering fact. Our kidneys can be underperforming and we may not even know it. Often signs of weak kidneys are subtle and can easily be mistaken for other health issues, and that's why we need to pay more attention to them. In this video, we'll delve into the world of kidney health, identifying 5 hidden signs of weak kidneys that are often overlooked. We'll also explore what steps we can take to improve the health of these vital organs. So, stay tuned to find out the 5 hidden signs of weak kidneys. The first sign of weak kidneys is a change in urination. Our kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our bodies. Day in and day out, they tirelessly filter waste from the blood to create urine. But when these hard-working organs start to falter, one of the earliest indicators can be a change in urination. Changes in urination can manifest in several ways. Some people may find themselves visiting the bathroom more frequently, even if their fluid intake remains the same. This is because weakened kidneys are unable to efficiently filter waste, leading to an increased amount of urine production. On the other hand, some people may experience less frequent urination. This could be a sign that the kidneys are not producing enough urine due to insufficient filtering of waste from the blood. In either case, any significant change in your urination pattern should prompt a visit to a healthcare professional. Now let's talk about the appearance of urine, another important clue to kidney health. A healthy urine color ranges from pale yellow to deep amber. However, if your kidneys are struggling, your urine may appear darker or even cloudy. This could be due to the kidney's inability to properly filter waste and excess substances out of the bloodstream. The consistency of your urine can also change. For instance, you may notice that your urine is foamy or bubbly, which could indicate the presence of protein. Normally, our kidneys prevent large molecules like protein from passing into the urine, but if the kidneys are not functioning properly, protein may escape into the urine, causing it to foam. In conclusion, any change in urination, whether it's frequency, color, or consistency, should not be overlooked. It's a subtle way our bodies communicate with us, signaling that our kidneys might need some attention. Now that you know how a change in urination can signal kidney weakness, let's move on to the second sign. The second hidden sign of weak kidneys is swelling in certain parts of the body. Now you might be wondering, why would kidney problems lead to swelling? Well, let's dive into the science behind it. Our kidneys are like our body's own personal waste management system. They filter out excess water and waste products from our blood, which we then eliminate from our bodies when we urinate. This process helps keep our bodies balanced and functioning optimally. However, when the kidneys aren't functioning as they should, they may struggle to remove this extra fluid, and that's when things can start to go awry. This excess fluid can build up in our bodies and it has to go somewhere. Often it ends up pooling in certain areas, causing swelling or edema. This swelling can show up in various parts of the body, but it's most commonly seen in the ankles, feet, and hands. It can also appear around the eyes or in the face, especially upon waking up in the morning. Now it's important to note that swelling can be caused by a variety of factors, not just weak kidneys. It could be the result of an injury, a side effect of medication, or even due to a long day on your feet. However, if you're noticing unexplained swelling, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like changes in urination, fatigue, or skin rashes, it could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling. Don't ignore this symptom. If you're experiencing unexplained swelling, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help determine the underlying cause and guide you on the best course of action. Remember, unexplained swelling might be a sign of kidney trouble. Let's move on to the third sign. Feeling unusually tired or weak? It might be more than just a lack of sleep. You see, our kidneys are not just the bean-shaped organs that filter waste from our blood. They're also sophisticated hormone factories, producing a range of hormones that regulate various bodily functions. One such hormone is erythropoietin, or EPO for short. This wonder hormone stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. And what's so special about these red blood cells, you may ask? Well, they are the body's oxygen delivery system, carrying oxygen from the lungs to every cell in the body. When your cells get the oxygen they need, you feel energized and strong. But what happens when your kidneys aren't firing on all cylinders? When your kidneys are weak, they don't produce as much EPO. With less EPO, your bone marrow makes fewer red blood cells, leading to a decrease in oxygen delivery to your cells. This condition is known as anemia. and it can leave you feeling fatigued and weak. The fatigue caused by anemia isn't like the tiredness you feel after a late night or a long day. It's a deep, persistent fatigue that doesn't go away with rest. It's the kind of tiredness that can make even simple tasks feel like climbing a mountain. And the weakness? That's due to your muscles not getting the oxygen they need to function properly. It's like trying to run a car with a half-empty tank of gas. It might get you a little way, but sooner or later, you're going to run out of steam. It's important to note that fatigue and weakness can be symptoms of many different conditions, not just weak kidneys. But if you're feeling constantly tired and weak and you can't pin it down to lack of sleep or overexertion, then it might be time to check on your kidney health. If you're feeling constantly fatigued, it might be time to check on your kidney health. Let's look at the fourth sign. The fourth hidden sign of weak kidneys is persistent skin rashes and itching. Now this may sound surprising, but the health of our kidneys has a direct impact on the condition of our skin. Think of your kidneys as your body's personal waste management system. They're always at work, diligently removing toxins and waste products from your bloodstream. These waste products are then expelled from your body when you urinate. This process keeps your body clean and healthy, and your skin glowing and clear. However, when your kidneys are not functioning as they should, they can't effectively remove these waste products. Instead of being expelled, these toxins start to accumulate in your blood. This buildup of waste can have a number of adverse effects on your body, one of which is severe itching and skin rashes. That's right, those unexplained rashes or that persistent itch could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to do their job. When the buildup of waste in your blood reaches a certain level, it can irritate your skin, leading to rashes and intense itching. This is often worse in the lower part of your legs. Now keep in mind that skin rashes and itching can be caused by a variety of factors, not just weak kidneys. Allergies, insect bites, or certain medications can also cause these symptoms. But if you've ruled out these common causes and the itching and rashes persist, it might be time to seek medical advice. Your healthcare provider can conduct a simple blood test to determine how well your kidneys are working. If your kidneys are indeed weak, don't fret. There are many treatments available that can help improve their function and alleviate your symptoms. Remember, your body is a complex system where everything is interconnected. Your skin, the largest organ in your body, is a reflection of your overall health. So, don't ignore those rashes or that persistent itch. It could be your body's way of telling you that your kidneys need a little extra care. If you're experiencing unexplained rashes or itching, consider getting your kidneys checked. Now on to our final sign. Our final sign of weak kidneys is a metallic taste in the mouth. You know when you absent-mindedly bite on a piece of aluminum foil, and that unpleasant metallic taste lingers on your tongue? Well, consider that another possible red flag for weakened kidneys. It may sound strange, but our kidneys and our sense of taste are more closely connected than you'd think. Here's the scoop. Healthy kidneys do a stellar job of filtering out the waste and toxins in our bloodstream. But when the kidneys aren't up to par, these toxins can accumulate, leading to a condition known as uremia. Uremia, in turn, can alter the way we perceive taste, often resulting in a metallic or bitter sensation in the mouth. And it's not just about the change in taste. Uremia can also lead to bad breath. Yes, that's right. The buildup of toxins can cause a distinct, unpleasant odor that mouthwash or breath mints just can't mask. If you've noticed these changes and they're not linked to a new medication or dental issue, it could be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to do their job. The point here isn't to make you paranoid every time your morning coffee tastes a bit off, or you catch a whiff of bad breath. But it's important to stay vigilant and listen to what your body is telling you. Changes in your sense of taste or the presence of bad breath, especially when paired with other signs we've discussed, like changes in urination, swelling, fatigue, and skin rashes, should not be overlooked. Remember, early detection is key in managing kidney conditions. If you notice these symptoms, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional who can guide you through the necessary tests and treatments. If foods you love are starting to taste different, it might be your kidneys sending a signal. So listen up and take action if necessary. Your well-being could depend on it. So, there you have it. The 5 hidden signs of weak kidneys. We've journeyed together through this crucial health topic, highlighting these subtle alarms that our bodies may be sending us. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. First, we talked about changes in urination. Remember, consistent alterations in your urine's color, frequency, smell, or presence of foam can be your body's way of signaling kidney trouble. Don't take these changes lightly, they are your first line of defense. Next, we delved into the sign of swelling in the body. If you've noticed puffiness around your eyes, or swelling in your hands, feet, or lower legs, it could be due to your kidneys not effectively removing waste and excess fluid from your body. This is a sign that should not be overlooked. We then moved on to discuss fatigue and weakness as potential indicators of weak kidneys. Remember, if you're feeling unusually tired or weak, it might be more than just a lack of sleep. Your kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which aids in the production of red blood cells. A decrease in this hormone can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness. Our fourth sign of weak kidneys was skin rashes and itching. We learned that persistent itching and rashes could be a sign of high levels of waste in the blood, a condition that can occur when our kidneys are unable to properly filter these wastes. Lastly, we talked about experiencing a metallic taste in the mouth. This unusual symptom could be due to a buildup of waste in your blood, also known as uremia, and is another important sign not to ignore. These 5 signs are subtle, often overlooked but crucial indicators of our kidney health. The importance of early detection and treatment cannot be overstated. Kidney conditions, when detected early, can often be managed effectively, preventing further damage and promoting overall health. So, what can we do to improve our kidney health? Staying hydrated is one key step. Water helps the kidneys clear sodium, urea, and toxins from the body, reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease. Eating a balanced diet is another important factor. Foods rich in antioxidants and low in salt and processed sugars can help maintain healthy kidney function. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet can contribute to better kidney health. Regular checkups are also crucial. If you have a family history of kidney disease or have any of these signs, regular screenings can help detect any potential issues early. But remember, while these steps can help, they're not substitutes for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's vital to seek medical attention promptly. And as we wrap up this conversation, let's not forget that our kidneys are powerhouses of our bodies, performing numerous vital functions. They help regulate blood pressure, filter wastes, produce hormones, and maintain overall body balance. Their health is integral to our well-being. Remember, your kidneys are vital for your overall health. Don't ignore these signs. Stay healthy and vigilant. Our bodies are incredible machines, and by listening to them, we can ensure they serve us well for years to come. We hope you found this information useful. Empowering others with this knowledge could be the difference between early detection and prolonged suffering. So don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with your friends, family, and anyone you think might benefit. And if you appreciate content that puts your health first, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching. Remember, knowledge is the first step to staying healthy.